Good morning, everybody. I'm really hungry. I want some blueberry pancakes.
Hey, banana.
Pour it.
What is that?
Oh,
The pancake batter.
I know. Oh,
The pancake mix, I mean. Too early for this.
like that?
All of it. The whole thing. The whole thing. Say, then you pour the whole thing.
Get 2 eggs and put them in here. Dump the eggs in here. Whoa! We're gonna put the milk in here.
Okay, carefully pour the milk in there.
And then this one is gonna be
Yeah.
hot. Now I'm gonna add some oil. Some blueberry pancakes. I'm gonna dump them in here.
Okay.
I did all of that. I'm gonna put the nuts, banana, and the pancakes. Oh. Now I'm gonna eat some delicious pancakes.